This isn't an ordinary RV, this is a futuristic Arctic 666 Expedition motorhome built to look like a luxury home, an off-road machine, and an adventure fortress all in one. From its massive tires to its multi-level interior, every angle is designed to impress. Starting with the front view, the aggressive design immediately grabs attention. The huge windshield, sharp LED headlights, heavy-duty front bumper, protective grille, and enormous off-road tires give this motorhome a powerful, expedition-ready appearance. Moving to the back, the adventure-focused design becomes even more obvious. A full-size spare tire, exterior storage, recovery equipment, and rugged rear structure make the back of this motorhome look ready for long journeys through remote terrain. From the full-side view, you can see the incredible multi-level body design. Large panoramic windows, futuristic body lines, bold Arctic graphics, and 6 massive wheels create a unique combination of luxury and extreme off-road styling. From the top, the roof reveals another impressive feature: large solar panels designed to complement the vehicle's off-grid expedition concept. The upper structure also provides additional space while giving passengers incredible panoramic views. Now let's take a closer look at the rear angle. The massive rear wheels, elevated chassis, spare tire, and expedition equipment give this machine a serious overland character. It looks ready to leave the highway far behind. Step inside, and the rugged exterior transforms into a completely different world. The interior features warm ambient lighting, premium seating, large windows, and a modern luxury layout. Despite its extreme exterior design, the cabin feels comfortable, spacious, and sophisticated. At the front, the driver cockpit provides a commanding view of the road. The elevated seating position, large windshield, and modern dashboard create a perfect environment for controlling this massive expedition machine across challenging terrain. The bedroom is designed as a private luxury retreat. A comfortable sleeping area, soft lighting, and large windows create a peaceful space where travelers can relax after a long day of exploration. Even the bathroom receives a premium treatment. Its compact but modern layout is designed to provide essential comfort without wasting valuable space inside the motorhome. The kitchen brings practicality into the expedition lifestyle. With modern appliances, storage areas, and a clean contemporary design, it gives travelers the ability to prepare meals while exploring far from traditional facilities. From the aggressive front to the massive rear tires, from the futuristic exterior to the luxury interior, this Arctic 666 motorhome is built around one idea: explore without giving up comfort. Would you take this beast into the Arctic wilderness? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more incredible luxury motorhomes and expedition vehicles. Number 2. What if the ultimate off-road motorhome looked this extreme? Meet the Toyota Samurai Expedition, built for adventures where the road simply ends. From the front, this beast looks absolutely unstoppable. The aggressive grille, powerful LED headlights, heavy-duty bumper, and massive off-road tires give it a serious expedition-ready presence. Now look at this angle. The sharp body lines, elevated cabin, rugged armor, and 6-wheel setup make this motorhome look more like an expedition machine than a traditional RV. Moving to the side, you can see the massive living area, multiple windows, exterior storage, ladder, roof equipment, and rugged 6-wheel chassis. Everything is designed for long-distance adventure. From the rear, the adventure continues with a huge expedition body, heavy-duty rear section, roof gear, and plenty of practical equipment for exploring remote locations. The rear gives this motorhome an unmistakable expedition truck character. Tough construction, large storage areas, and serious off-road hardware make it ready for the wild. From above, you can see the complete 2-level design, roof-mounted solar panels, storage equipment, and adventure gear. This is basically a luxury home built on a 6-wheel expedition platform. Inside the driver's cabin, the focus is control and comfort. The high driving position gives the driver a commanding view of the road and the terrain ahead. Step inside and you get a practical luxury kitchen designed for life on the road, with modern storage and everything you need for extended adventures. The living area brings the comfort of home into the wilderness, with premium seating, large windows, and a spacious environment to relax after a long journey. And when it's time to sleep, the private bedroom gives you a comfortable place to recharge before the next adventure. The bathroom is compact but premium, giving this expedition motorhome the essential comfort you need when traveling far away from civilization. Would you take this Toyota Samurai expedition across the American wilderness? Tell us your favorite feature in the comments. And follow for more insane motorhomes and future RV concepts. This video is for entertainment and concept showcase purposes. Specifications, features, and availability may vary. Number 3. Forget everything you know about motorhomes. This massive 666 expedition machine looks like it was built for the most extreme journey on Earth. But wait until you see what's hiding inside. Starting from the front, this motorhome commands attention with its aggressive design. Powerful headlights, rugged bumper, and enormous off-road tires. It looks ready to take on any road or no road at all. From the full side view, the huge 666 platform becomes even more impressive. The long body, massive wheels, armored styling, and futuristic windows create the perfect combination of luxury and extreme adventure. Coming around toward the rear front angle, you can see how muscular and wide this expedition motorhome really is. Every line and body panel gives it a powerful futuristic personality. Now look at the rear. The wide body, rugged construction, and massive rear section make this machine look like a true mobile fortress. It's built to carry everything you need for an unforgettable adventure. From above, the complete layout becomes clear. The large roof area provides plenty of space for expedition equipment, while the streamlined body keeps the design looking modern and premium. Step inside, and the rugged exterior transforms into a premium luxury living space. Modern materials, comfortable seating, elegant lighting, and smart storage make this motorhome feel more like a luxury apartment on wheels. The driver cockpit is designed for serious adventures. A modern dashboard, large displays, premium controls, and an elevated driving position give the driver excellent visibility and complete control over this. Massive 6'6". Moving into the bedroom, comfort takes center stage. A spacious luxury bed, soft lighting, and premium finishes create a peaceful private space where you can relax after a long day on the road. The bathroom brings another level of comfort to the expedition experience. With a modern shower area, premium fixtures, smart storage, and a clean luxury design, it feels like a high-end hotel bathroom. And then we have the kitchen, compact but highly practical space, designed for life on the move. With modern appliances, generous storage, and a premium finish, you can prepare a proper meal almost anywhere. So would you take this incredible 6'6" luxury motorhome on a cross-country adventure? Let me know in the comments where you would take it first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more futuristic motorhomes and extreme adventure vehicles. Number 4.
Stop scrolling. This isn't a normal motorhome. This 6'6" beast looks like a military machine mixed with a 5-star luxury hotel. Look at that front. Massive tires, brutal grille, razor-sharp LED lights, and a heavy-duty bumper. This thing looks ready for war. And the back is just as insane. Massive spare tire, rugged storage, and an expedition body that screams extreme adventure. Now look at this monster from the side. 6 giant wheels, insane ground clearance, and a massive luxury cabin. This is not built for ordinary roads. From the top, it gets even crazier. Solar panels, rooftop storage, recovery gear, and enough equipment for serious off-grid adventures. The rear design is pure beast mode. Heavy-duty construction, huge storage, and a spare tire ready for whatever the trail throws at it. But wait, the inside is completely different. Step inside this monster and you enter a luxury world with premium finishes, cinematic lighting, and insane comfort. Behind the wheel, you're sitting like a king. A commanding driving position, advanced controls, and a view that makes every road feel tiny. After conquering the trail, This luxury bedroom is where the adventure ends and 5-star comfort begins. And yes, this beast even has a private luxury bathroom. Everything you need without ever leaving the adventure. The kitchen is compact, modern, and fully equipped. Because even in the middle of nowhere, you don't have to sacrifice luxury. 6 wheels, massive power, extreme capability, and a luxury interior. This is what happens when an off-road monster becomes a luxury home. Would you drive this 6'6" beast across America? Comment beast if you want one.